Rainbows. Focus question. What does a rainbow form? Words to know. Angle. Experiment. Globe. Illusions. Indigo. Reflects. Connections. Writing and art. Draw a rainbow and label each of the colors. Think of a new way to remember the order of the colors. Write a paragraph to describe it. Science. Fill a clear plastic bag with water and tape it to a window that gets lots of sunshine. What do you notice? Share what you see with a partner. Table of Contents. Introduction, page 4. Where and when rainbows appear, page 6. How rainbow forms, page 10. The colors of the rainbow, page 13. Conclusion, page 15. Glossary, page 16. Introduction. When the sun shines after it rains, run outside and you may see a giant rainbow sweeping across the sky. Sometimes you may even spot small rainbows in snow when sunlight shines through a window. Rainbows are illusions made by light. You can see them, but we can't touch them or walk around them. Outdoor rainbows may seem to move away when we go toward them. Rainbows appear when light shines through something clear, like water. They are beautiful tricks of light, but science can explain the reasons behind the tricks. Where and when rainbow appear? Look around the next time you see a rainbow. The sun will be shining from behind you, and there will be rain in front of you. This is where you will see the rainbow. Rainbows need water drops and sunshine to form. Rainbows most often appear in the morning or late afternoon, when the sun is in the best places to create one. You might even see a double rainbow. You may see rainbows in the midst of the waterfall too. A splashing mountain can also create a small rainbow. Rainbows can even form under a bright moon. These are called moonbows. We usually see a rainbow as a half circle. It actually forms a full circle, but on the ground we can only see the top half. Sometimes, lucky airplane pilot may see the complete circle of a rainbow from the sky. Rainbows in myths and tales. Vikings said a rainbow bridge links the gods to the earth. In Ireland, people tell fairy tales about the pots of gold hidden at the ends of the rainbows and guarded by the elves. The Hindu god Indra is shown using a rainbow as an archer bow to shoot lightning arrows. How rainbows form. Years ago, a French scientist decided to study rainbows. He used sunlight as a big globe of water to experiment. He found that to see a rainbow, a person must be looking at light from the right opposition. Understanding how light travels helps explains the rainbow. Think of running on land. How imagine trying to run through knee-deep water. You will move more slowly through the water because it is denser and thicker than air. In the same way, light moves faster through air than water. Light bends when it moves between air and air, which is why a pencil sitting in a glass of water looks bent. Outdoor rainbows form when water drops meet sunlight. The light bends and it enters each drop. The light then reflects and bounces off the back of each drop like a light off a mirror. The light bends again and it leaves the drop. Light bends and bounces in millions of water drops at once. This process makes all the colors of the rainbow. The colors of the rainbow. Sunlight is made of many colors. We can see them when water drops split into light into different colors. To see a rainbow, you have to be in the right place. Each water drop reflects color likely at a slightly different angle. We can only see red line shining from the drops of a rainbow top. Those drops are in the right place to shine the red color behind us. In the same way, we can only see the violet shining from the drops at the rainbow bottom. The colors of a rainbow always appear in the same order. The name astrology with can help you understand the 7 main colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Make your own rainbow. Fill a clear glass between 3/4 of full water. Place the glass where sunlight can pass through it. Hold a white piece of paper and light shines through the rainbow on top of the water. Move the paper around until a rainbow appears. Use a color pencil to mark different colors on the paper. How many can you see? What order are they in? Conclusion. For a long time, Rainbows have been featured in art and stories all over the world. Most people find it hard not to stop and stare when a rainbow appears. Science explains how these colorful displays happen. Water drops bend, splits, and reflected lights, allowing us to see many colors of a rainbow. Still, the beauty of a rainbow is magical sight to see. Glossary. Angle. The positions from which something is viewed, the direction from which something is approached. Experiment. A conducted scientific test. Globe. An object that is round. Illusions. False things that trick you into thinking that they are real or that they really happen. Indigo. The color light between blue and violet. Reflects. Sends light, sounds, or heat back toward where it came from.